So shall I do the interview like I ask you questions about Dehradun, or you want to go ahead?
I want to go ahead
Okay, let's
and
go
I want to talk about Adil Hussain.
I'm here to invoke deep empathy amongst the people who watch my work.
You are full of life, this young guy, and I said, who's this good-looking guy? मैंने इसकी आवाज भी कमाल है, शक्ल भी कमाल है, हाइट वाइट भी अच्छी है, टॉप का लड़का है, ये कौन है?
Do I really love acting? I could not, because I realized that I know nothing about acting. You found your inner calling as a teacher, like, oh, I'd like to teach. That's called Swabhava. When you go deeper into Swabhava, it becomes. I felt that, oh my God. I mean, I'm talking about, I get
Oh my
goosebumps.
God.
You see? Why I'm saying.
Goosebumps. ये आदमी बहुत सीरियस है यार.
And I fell in love with India.
भारत.
Before that, I always wanted to go abroad. Then I'm like, oh my God, this is a country of. Now I'll tell you one very interesting story I've never told anybody. अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है.
Welcome to In Conversation for Life. We have my dear friend Adil Hussain.
चलता है.
Adil Hussain has a wonderful way of life. He's been inspiring people across the country and also abroad. I'm very interested in his inner life. And so, what does that mean? We'll see. He started with experimental work, and he was in Assam, and then he came to National School of Drama, and from National School of Drama across the world. Okay. So this is your first time in Dehradun?
Yes, it is my first time in Dehradun.
You know, there has been many stories associated to Dehradun,
Yeah.
which I know half of them, and they're all muddled up. So we skip
So
that.
shall I do the interview like I ask you questions about Dehradun, or you want to go ahead?
I want to go ahead
let's
and
go
I want to talk about Adil Hussain.
No, what about you? You had been doing such great work. I had been hearing from everybody since the time I have landed in Dehradun. सभी कह रहे अच्छा आप आलोक को जानते हो? कौन आलोक?
कौन लोग?
आलोक उल्फत. अच्छा अरे वो तो मतलब ये है वो है. क्या क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये तो बताओ. मतलब what have you been doing? You have been doing all the whole of Dehradun is your student or what?
No. Dehradun is not student. I am the perpetual student because मैं आपको सच बताता हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं जब इंग्लैंड से आया,
हाँ.
यहाँ फिर भाग गया, फिर आया, फिर गया, फिर भाग गया, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार कि मैं नहीं रहूँगा भारत में. यहाँ सब कुछ करते नहीं कल्चर के. अब इंग्लैंड में यू गो टू लंदन, देयर सो मच थिएटर, सो मच आर्ट, सो मच एग्जीबिशंस. So then I realized कि यार जो नहीं है वो क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. So I was in Sweden, and through that Swedish contact I went to East Europe and I did a lot of things there, and then I realized कि यार कोई तो होगा जो मुझे कुछ सिखा सकता है.
हाँ.
तो मैंने यहाँ भटकना शुरू किया भारत में.
Okay.
तो NSD से बेटर कौन कुछ सिखा सकता है.
That's true.
तो मैंने कहा यार NSD में स्टूडेंट तो नहीं लेंगे, पर किसी ने कहा यार एक टीचर की ज़रूरत है.
बिल्कुल.
तो मैंने अप्लाई किया, तो TIE में हो गया. लोगों ने कहा यहाँ करते रहो, बाद में तुम
TIE stands for
Theatre Education Company.
Yeah.
हाँ, और वो बैरी जॉन करते थे, तो हम जुड़ गए उसके साथ. पर उस वक्त आप जो थे सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट थे.
अच्छा जब आप आए थे.
हाँ.
हाँ. मतलब that would be 1991.
Correct.
92.
उसी के आसपास.
हाँ, उसी के आसपास.
And that was a wonderful time because the school was bubbling. कॉरिडोर्स में बैठे होते थे लोग.
I know.
पीयूष मिश्रा, मनोज बाजपेयी, गजराज राव,
NK
शर्मा was all over the place. है ना. और बच्चों भाई कहते मार देगा बच्चों को, छोड़ दे इनको. So that was the time. उसके बाद पल पल पे मुझे NSD में लोग मिलते थे और आप मुझे कॉरिडोर में मिलते थे.
अच्छा.
Talking like this. लड़की बदल जाती थी, पर
I never did that. I mean, why would I do?
You were full of life, this young guy, and I said, who's this good-looking guy? मैंने इसकी आवाज भी कमाल है, शक्ल भी कमाल है, हाइट वाइट भी अच्छी है, टॉप का लड़का है, ये कौन है? But थोड़ा बात होता था हमारा, and मैंने संजय झा को बोला, मैंने कौन है ये लड़का यार, ये कहाँ है? कह रहे ये पहले वहाँ ऑलरेडी असम का स्टार है ये।
अच्छा,
यहाँ स्कूल में आ गया। Anyways, so that was the trip.
Okay.
And things got nicer and warmer with NSD and life around NSD. Theatre and education के साथ ये possibility थी that we could go outside the campus.
Correct, yeah.
So we worked with the slums, we worked with the schools, we worked with the teachers, we worked with special needs.
No, I
ये
got-
लम्बरेटा आ गया था।
अरे,
देहरादून का
this is-
लम्बरेटा।
This is reminds me of my childhood from ग्वालपाड़ा में।
हाँ।
मेरे एक दोस्त थे,
हाँ।
उनके पास होता था। ये स्टार्ट होता है क्या?
अब अभी स्टार्ट कब हुआ था पता नहीं मुझे।
नहीं
आवाज तो कर रहा है, तेल नहीं होगा। आप यहाँ बैठिए एक बार, चलो एक फैमिली फोटो। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं
छोड़ेंगे
तोड़ेंगे दम मगर मेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
ओके ठीक है यार, लम्बरेटा इज अ गुड थिंग, बट एक और साइड में भी होता था ना उसको।
हम कहाँ जाए अभी?
हम इधर चलते हैं।
अच्छा,
तो ये जो मेरे दोस्त हैं सुहृतपाल,
हाँ।
ये उनका खूबसूरत घर है
बहुत सुंदर।
और उनका बेटा जोरावर, एंड दे वर वेरी काइंड, दे सेड कि तुम लोग यहाँ पे शूटिंग कर लो। तो हम
Okay.
चले आए यहाँ पर। और ये दिस इज, इफ यू लुक फ्रॉम मसूरी यू कैन सी दिस बिल्डिंग।
Oh really?
और ये एक बंगाली बंदे ने बनाई है बिल्डिंग।
By the way, okay, हमारे उस तरफ के हैं,
आपके उधर
east
के
हैं।
हाँ, आपके उधर है।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी वेल केप्ट। एंड आपके दोस्त ने मुझे 5 किस्म के हनी का टेस्ट करवाया
करवाया हुआ।
और एक मिर्ची जो वो खुद ही यहाँ उगाते हैं, ही ग्रोज इट हियर हिमसेल्फ,
हाँ।
एंड दैट इज लाइक अ habanero.
ओके,
So he made me taste that, and he thought that I will not be able to take it, and he gave me 5 different kinds of honey. I said no. You see, I am from a land where we grow 10 times hotter chili than habanero. Exactly. Let's do
तो
it.
अच्छा, फिर NSD से जो जर्नी शुरू हुई, फिर मैं तो चला गया वहाँ से, फिर भाग गया था विदेश।
हाँ।
और आपसे मैं मिला कहीं, कहाँ पे मिला था? आई मेट
Berlin, no, Bonn.
बॉन में मिला, जर्मनी में।
2006. I
आप वहाँ
guess.
पे वो लेके आए थे
Othello.
ओथेलो। और मैं हबीब तनवीर जी के साथ आया था। वो व्हाट वाज दैट प्ले, आगरा बाजार।
Agra Bazaar. Okay. So you acted in that?
No. I was just being with him
Okay.
because his daughter,
Huh.
the English daughter, she said कि this is your chance to be with him. मैं एक चीज़ हमेशा सोचता रहा
हाँ.
कि बहुत से आपके जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं when they finished with NSD, they
Right.
ran to Bombay.
Yeah.
You didn't.
No, I did not. I could not. Even if I don't think I wanted to. I could not because I realized that I know nothing about acting after I graduated. I felt that, oh my God. I mean, I'm talking about, I get
Oh my
goosebumps.
God.
You see?
Yeah.
Why I'm saying.
Goosebumps.
Why I'm saying is that.
दिखाओ Goosebumps देखो कैसे निकलते हैं goosebumps। ये आदमी बहुत सीरियस है यार।
Why I'm saying is that I realized, oh my God, it's an ocean. I'm not even in the middle of the ocean. I'm standing here and the ocean is in front of you. And I'm like, how do I at least get to the middle of it, na? Before I bring someone to watch me, I don't have that audacity or confidence, or maybe I would say, like, what do you call that? Yeah, it's an audacity that I did not have. I still have.
Courage.
It's gentle audacity. कि हाँ कर रहा हूँ, आ जाओ देखने के लिए, कुछ मिल जाता है।
सबसे सुंदर बात ये है कि if you get goosebumps for what you like to do,
Yeah.
shows you're really into it. And how do you get into this?
I think the people, those who are responsible to sort of showed me the doorway and the window to dip into the ocean of acting were Khalid Tayyib ji, then Maya Rao, Anamika Haq sir, Nibha Joshi ma'am, Robinda, Arjun Raina, then some teachers from abroad, Sue Weston, who was my I just visited her last year in her lovely, beautiful house in Wales. And then Nasiruddin Shah, Shopon Boshu, who is my teacher who lives in Pondicherry. These are the people who said that, okay, this is the door, and the door, the door is...
जहाज आ गया जहाज.
कुछ नहीं होगा, सुना देगा. So what this teacher did for me was, they showed me this beautiful door, and that's the job of a teacher. Then you have to bloody enter. And that door was so magnetic and so attractive. So it's almost like a, for me being a heterosexual, it's almost like a, you know, lustful attraction. I was like, oh my God, I have to go there, God. You know, and then it softened, then the grace came slowly, you know what I mean?
You settle down.
You settle down. Then Khalid was the person who I saw one of his plays called Fool Song.
I know 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Yeah.
So last one when I saw that, which was minimalistic after he has worked with Shopanda, he did this song and there was no property. Initially his performances were a lot of props. Just this one and a lingor.
Yeah.
And he was changing roles from one role to the other role to the other. Everything.
He became the baby, and then he became this crazy guy, and then going on the rag.
And then he became a dada, a cabaret dancer, politicians and a tribal
and you
guy.
love that, yeah.
And I was like, my God, I would like to be an actor like this guy.
Robinda also did something to you, right?
Robinda and I spent for 6 months, every night I asked him a question. He used to live in the room that I stayed, room number 4 in NSD hostel.
Okay. Bagar Billa.
बागड़ बिल्ला से शुरू हुआ हमारा प्यार एक दूसरे के प्रति.
Bagar Billa like play, by the way.
हाँ, it's a play. It is a play. It's a sort of a, what do you call that?
Multi-dimensional play, actually.
Yes, no, but it is an adaptation of Ibsen's Peer Gynt, and Marlowe's Dr. Faust. So there I was cast and as Mephistopheles.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And I was terrified.
One drop of blood.
Yeah. And I was terrified. I thought, my God, I have never played a huge role. So I always used to play a small part and I used to be happy like, yes.
And then what happened?
And then, so I graduated, and before I got out of National School of Drama, I wanted to explore how to internalize acting. I don't think I had a grip over it. So I applied for a scholarship to study in England by the Charles Wallace Trust, and I got the scholarship out of the blue. And I went to Drama Studio London for a short course. And then I was given the next course also. So, and there is a, like in NSG, what happens is that it's a huge amount of content that it's sort of bombarded upon you, which has its place. I do not.
But then you need time.
But
to
you need
settle
time
down.
to. I think the NSD course should be 5 years or maybe 7 years from class 10 onward.
So which year you went to England?
93 September.
And then you were studying
at the Drama Studio London.
But what were you studying? I mean, you had finished with National School of Drama, and now you went to a drama school to learn what?
Yeah, so as I was telling you before we sat down here, my experiential understanding in India that there is a tendency of going a little over the top in film acting as well. Theatre, of course, you need to. When I say going over the top, but losing the truth, that's my problem.
I think losing the truth
is a big problem. I don't mind going over the top, going like I have seen great actors on Jatra theatre, you know, and those क्या कहते हैं, Parsi theatre, great actors.
Nautanki, etc.
But the problem is when you go loud, there is a disconnect from the truth that suppose you are feeling 30% of the emotions, and you have to reach out. You have to make it 100%, but then the emotions that you're feeling or whatever you're feeling is less than what you're projecting. It should be the opposite.
Feeling should be
more than what comes out.
Well, how would you...
You contain it.
Well, how would you you see Al Pacino and Robert De Niro playing subtle. For Scarface, for example, play less.
No, you see, if the genre of the film, in the role you're playing, and an actor that you have, like for example, Al Pacino, he has established himself.
Talks like that.
He has established himself as an actor. He's a personality actor. He's not a character actor. He plays all.
What's the
roles.
difference between?
The difference is, personality actor means that you have developed a personality which works for the audience. Mr. Bachchan, Shatrughan Sinha Saab, you know, all that. Most of the actors in the world, they are personality actors. Some actors, so personality actors means that you have developed a kind of a persona which works in the film industry, in the market. And it is amazing, it is great. And the character actors are those who sort of bend their own characteristics to tilt towards the role that they are playing. So they hide themselves in the role. The personality actors, they show their own personality, which is another kind of acting. There is no, I'm not saying this is bad or this is good, but I got drawn towards the character acting that I should not be seeing. My personal idiosyncrasies, my personal habits.
But I think you'll do well in the others.
It did not attract me.
It didn't attract you.
Yeah, it didn't. I found that, okay, I do 5 films, 10 films. After 10 years, I'll be bored. So going to England was that, is there a possibility for me to, they will have something for me to allow me to go deeper within it and then see how can I contain my outside expression. Like, had it pleased heaven to try me with affliction, instead of saying that, had it pleased heaven to try me with affliction, without even raising your eyebrows, without even moving your lips too much. Had it pleased heaven to try me with affliction.
But I liked when you did this.
I know, but on the stage is okay. But if I am here, it's going to go out.
Then the camera should go back.
Camera go back. I understand that. But I should be able to do both.
You should be able to do both.
So suppose you are the director and you are doing a film where nobody moves. So what I'm saying is that I should be able to
do both.
Retain the intensity without the help of the physical movement. That I wanted to learn.
मैं तुझे जिंदा नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
Yeah,
इसकी भी जरूरत
even
नहीं.
the face, you know, like try that.
Say that मैं तुझे जिंदा नहीं छोड़ूंगा. नहीं हंसना अलाउड है.
दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी.
नहीं से मैं
दूध का दूध, ये तो है.
पानी का पानी.
पानी करना ही होगा.
नहीं
दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी तो करना ही होगा. So stay there, stay within.
दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी तो करना होगा.
Don't even move that.
दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी करना होगा. दूध और पानी का पानी करना होगा.
Stay there, even without
No jaws.
without chewing, no jaws. Stay with the volume.
दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी करना होगा.
Yeah. For me, intensity is a consequence of that it is proportionate to your inner silence. So intensity is not this or this is force. Force is not intensity. Intensity is a direct consequence of the degree of silence that you have within.
Ooh.
So you are here and you are talking and yet you maintain. So that is a practice. You cannot just do it like that.
Is it something that if you're in a daily life,
Yeah.
you are not this kind of a person, like I am all over the place.
Yeah.
तो मैं distracted भी रहता हूँ बहुत.
Right.
तो मेरे लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होगा ये करना.
It is difficult. Yes.
तो रियाज करना पड़ेगा.
It is the practice. That's what I'm saying. You have to practice it and it will slowly seep into your life.
पर कहीं सच में ऐसा हो गया तो बोरिंग हो जाएगा मेरे लिए.
No, it's not boring. I'm not saying that you should lose your who you are, but who you are, so many who you are's, na? We are all different kinds, and we have, like when you are in the quietest moment, you're watching a sunset, and you're like quiet. That quietude, whatever degree of quietude that you arrive at that point of time, that's another alok.
अब वो जो सूर्य जो शांत हो रहा है
Exactly.
और जो मैं हूँ एक हो जाते हैं.
Precisely. Now that is another Alok. It's absolutely fine. My point is that I should not be restricted to one kind of Adil, because I'm playing all different kinds of roles, और अलग-अलग किस्म के role के लिए and also genre के लिए. If I'm doing a South Indian film, so I should be able to do that, and I should be also able to do a French film or a Scandinavian film.
आप जब फ्रेंच फिल्म करते हो फ्रेंच बोलते हो?
Some of the sentences, the roles are such that you don't have to speak so much of French. But for example, I played in Life of Pi, I had to speak in French. So I had to learn it. What I'm trying to say is that Scandinavian, when I did my first Scandinavian film called What Will People Say? So What Will People Say is a Norwegian film, and I am in love with Scandinavian actors because they're so good, they're so
Subtle.
very subtle.
They also speak softly, no?
They do
In
speak
nature, they speak
it
softly.
as well, but I'm just saying the truth of whatever. It doesn't matter, as I said. Like for example, you are looking at a sunflower, and a photographer will take a brilliant photograph of the sunflower, and Picasso will look at the sunflower, will paint the sunflower. Van Gogh, as they say, will paint the sunflower. There's different genre. So I should be able to do a Picasso of my role. I should be able to do a photograph of the role, say Hollywood style of acting. Whereas like, how are you doing? You're good, okay? So what I'm saying is that I didn't want to restrict myself to become only one kind of acting style. So I just wanted to mold myself in no shape.
When you were at NHD, you learned folk, you learned modern, you learned Renaissance, you learned Shakespeare. Then you went abroad, you saw so many things, and you've all been traveling. You've been teaching acting to the Europeans for so long, and you also have taken them in an inward life. वो क्या है यार?
See, I'm not saying that I want expression of subtlety. I'm saying the outer expression could be Picasso, outer expression could be a famous installation artist, Subodh Gupta. Huge thing. He makes a huge thing. Like, oh, इतना बड़ा. So outer expression, मेरा कोई restriction नहीं है वहाँ पर. You understand what I'm saying? Subtle, what I'm saying, that स्थूल मतलब स्थूल से सूक्ष्मता के तरफ जब आप जाते हो, कि जितना सूक्ष्म होते हैं आप, उतना गहराई में आप सूक्ष्मता तभी, you know, सूक्ष्मता is a consequence of diving deeper into yourself. That does not restrict me from the outer expression of going, as I said, either Picasso or this.
तो आप basically कह रहे हो कि उसका truth जो भी कहता है,
Exactly. Go deeper into it.
वहाँ लेके चलो.
Yes. Go deeper into it. That's all I'm saying.
I'm just very curious because I see this brilliant child alive in you. You know, it's alive. It's vibrating even now. You're curious. Your goosebumps and so on, and the flower and so on. Scooter. अच्छा, आपकी सबसे पहली childhood memory क्या है? सबसे पहली.
I don't know. My God. I think drinking milk from my mom's breast.
You remember that?
Because I drank till I was 6 years old.
Okay.
And another memory
हाँ.
is that my mom, because electricity was quite often.
आती जाती हुई देहरादून भी ऐसी था.
हाँ. So my mom would fan me, and she's asleep, half asleep, and she will fan me. That's my memory of my. And the sound of the rain on our tin roof. And that would be a soothing sound. हमारे आसाम टाइप घर वैसे ही होते हैं वहाँ पर.
कैसा था बचपन, कैसा था आपका?
Lot of बदमाशीज. हम चुन के रखते थे कि कल ये पकेगा तो ये खाएंगे. पड़ोसी के घर के. My brother would say नहीं वो मेरा है. So next morning you wake up and you climb. Whoever climbs faster. Being a younger person, I used to climb faster. And then so all kinds. And we had a.
हाथ पैर भी टूटे, गिरे
अरे यहाँ गिरे. When I had a, उसकी वजह से मेरे ख्याल से वो जो पागलपन है थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि I fell. वो यहाँ आपका झूला है ना, सो झूला यहाँ पकड़ते हो ना आप, मैंने यहाँ पकड़ लिया वो स्टैंड में, तो करके गिर के. यहाँ ईट थे तो I
वहाँ
fell.
क्यों पकड़ लिया, मतलब पता
I
नहीं.
was stupid.
Not aware हम. आप बचपन में खोए कभी? मम्मी कहाँ गई, पापा कहाँ गए, मैं कहाँ हूँ?
नहीं, No, never got.
होते नहीं थे. You could monitor.
I was always
Good in studies.
I was good at studies. Yeah, I was the first boy till class 10th.
Okay.
Yeah,
Very nice. How
Yes.
many brothers and sisters?
I have 4 elder brothers and 2 elder sisters.
You're the youngest. तो वो लोग क्या बोलते क्या हो गया उसको आदिल को?
वो पहले तो सोचते थे कि मैं पागल हो गया, गुंडा बन जाऊंगा, क्योंकि घर पे आते नहीं थे, रिहर्सल्स करते थे और नाटक के, म्यूजिक के. आई यूज्ड टू आल्सो प्ले गिटार, बेस गिटार. सो दे यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट इसका तो गया.
तो फिर आपको कब लगा कि ये जो आप रिहर्सल्स कर रहे हो अचानक एनएसडी की मतलब सीरियस?
वो बहुत बाद, एनएसडी के बारे में तो मैं सुना ही नहीं था टिल आई वाज इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड. देयर वाज दिस पर्सन हु, मेरे सीनियर एक्टर थे वो असम में, तो उनको मैं मिला, उन्होंने, और मैं उनको एक सवाल पूछा कि आप 2 लोग जब स्क्रीन पे रहते हो, फिल्म एक्टर है वो, स्टेज पे भी बहुत अच्छा करता है, तो मेरे आंखें जो है आपकी तरफ जाता है, उनकी तरफ क्यों नहीं जाता है?
आपने कहा?
मैंने पूछा उनको. There are 2 actors. My eyes.
मैं एक ही को क्यों देख रहा हूँ?
Why am I looking at you and not him? And both are equally handsome. It's not that you are more good looking. So he said, "Oh, I think you're talking about that I attract your attention." I'm like, "Yeah. How do you do that?" I asked him. "Oh no, there's this somebody called Stanislavski." I'm like, "Who?" Stanislavski. I'm like, "Who?" You know, never heard. So then he shared Stanislavski's system, just the books. I'm like, what do you mean? Then he talked about Jerzy Grotowski, the first time I heard of Grotowski, towards sport theatre. Then he said, oh, एक यहाँ पर स्कूल है दिल्ली में, राष्ट्रीय नाट्य विद्यालय NSD, वहाँ, अच्छा, there is a school where they teach acting. क्या बात कर रहे हो, मतलब that was like a finding gold mine, you know, is that you have found, yeah, you treasure. And then I said, वो पैसा वैसा बहुत लगता होगा कि नहीं, फ्री है वो, एडमिशन मिल जाएगा, it's for everybody, you know, it's free of cost. If you get a seat, you get a scholarship, so please. So I was like, I don't have to take permission from my dad because I don't need money from him. तो उसके बाद से I started, so I asked him what are the criterias. So criteria were that you have to do plays. So I just got involved in plays. I did
10 नाटक करने
10 से बहुत ज़्यादा किया, मतलब 25 नाटकें कर डाली. Yeah, so I have done 20, 25, 30 plays and in all capacities from production to.
उधर हिंदी में होते थे नाटक?
असमिया में.
तो आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में करके गए? तो you knew about the big directors around?
No one. I didn't.
You,
I haven't heard of any.
बादल
No
सरकार?
no one.
तो कैसे नाटक करते थे?
अपने वहाँ लिखा जो लोकल प्ले राइट्स थे. असम में क्या है कि हर एक शहर में कम से कम 4 या 5 थिएटर ग्रुप्स होंगे, हर एक शहर में. गांव में एवरी नेबरहुड वुड हैव अ डांस क्लब और अ थिएटर क्लब और अ फुटबॉल क्लब और ऑल ऑफ देम, यू नो. सो इट्स वेरी कल्चरली वाइब्रेंट.
सो उत्तराखंड के जो वासी हैं, आप लोगों को ये समझ में आनी चाहिए कि असम में इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है और गांव में 5 थिएटर कंपनीज हैं. हमारे गाँव में क्या हो रहा है? पलायन. तो ये अच्छी बात है, ये याद रखें. नहीं, आई वांट टू मेक अ पॉइंट है कि अगर वहाँ 5 थिएटर कंपनी या 2 तो बना लो यार, कुछ तो कर लो मेरे भाई.
सो हमारे शहर में एक लोकल ड्रामेटिस्ट थे, तो उनके पास में सुबह पहुंच जाता था कि एक प्ले लिखिए. हाँ लिखेंगे. तब क्लास 6 में था मैं.
अरे
प्ले
so early?
Yeah, I was, because स्कूल का प्ले कंपटीशन होता है and I need a play to do it.
Okay.
Because I did my first play in class 1 when I was in the kindergartens and लत लग गई तब से. The first thing happened is that stage आधा घंटे का वो skit था, अंग्रेजी में था play, and then I came down and I asked my teacher, आधा घंटा हो गया? Yes. I was like, bloody hell, it felt like 5 minutes. Just magic. No, it's like wow.
खत्म हो गया, पता ही नहीं लगा.
Time stood still for me, you know. And when time stands still for you, you don't age. Biological time also stops. That's my theory.
To live in the moment.
In the moment.
So then you came to NSD to give exam.
Yes, much later. I did lot of films, lot of theatre, then I did stand-up comedy, film कर चुका हूँ. Stand-up comedy were very famous. Very
film,
famous.
पहली film कैसे मिली असम में?
Because I did a play of the same writer who wrote the film also, I got a Best Actor award in all Assam competition. So he said, अरे ये तो अच्छा एक्टर है, मेरे फिल्म करेगा लेकिन हीरो नहीं मिलेगा, छोटा रोल है. मैंने कहा बिल्कुल करेंगे. I was waiting for that, you know, to act in movies.
What is surprising me is kindergarten से एक्टिंग शुरू हो गई और सीरियस एक्टिंग शुरू हो गई. जब आप 6 साल के थे आपने कहा मेरे लिए स्क्रिप्ट लिखो, मुझे स्कूल में शो करना है.
Someone asked me a question. When did you have the power to steer your life?
Yes.
Or do you think that now because you were famous?
But he wasn't
Oh,
conscious.
no.
No, I know he wasn't
Exactly.
conscious. He wasn't conscious.
This is what I want to do.
But intuitively, subtly, something
Yes.
was
I
taking you
took
in a
charge.
direction which was yours, and you agreed to it.
Yes.
Because a lot of people doubt. A lot of people say that.
Yeah.
I could do it. I could have done it, but I didn't do it.
Yeah.
जैसे मेरे को हमेशा से क्लियर था कि I want to be a teacher. तो okay, so this, but then वो हिम्मत करने की पापा, mom, I'm going. Your parents were both there,
Yeah.
and they said,
No.
huh? No.
Yeah.
And then,
My dad said no way. My mom was absolutely neutral because she loves me and she loves dad. So she said, if you know, I will help
work
you
it out.
as much as you guys work it out. And I rebelled. I left home, and those days no phone, so you are not talking.
चिट्ठी.
चिट्ठी भी नहीं.
अब वो आलसी हो तुम.
हाँ, वो चिट्ठी का कौन लिखता है चिट्ठी? मतलब I don't.
ट्रंक कॉल्स.
ट्रंक कॉल्स, फोन नहीं थे घर पे.
पड़ोसी के यहाँ.
पड़ोसी के वहाँ दूर थे. एक था, अभी भी नंबर याद है मुझे, 62 था नंबर.
हाँ.
तो बातचीत हुई नहीं और I continued doing it, and then when I got admission in NSD, I came to dad and I said I got admission at the National School of Drama, one of its kind,
हाँ.
and you don't need to pay because I got a scholarship.
उसके बाद भी you were not finished with the NSD. You see, as I said, that a lot of people, like Sanjay Jha, I remember the day he finished school, the next day he was in Bombay.
Right, yeah. Not only Sanjay, there are quite a lot.
Yeah, you didn't do any of this. Yeah. Why?
You know, आपके you will have the courage to invite someone home for food. Either you have a good cook or you are a good cook, right? But if you are calling unknown people, मतलब हमारे घर पे आ जाओ रात को dinner के लिए, then you will organize something which is decent enough. I did not feel ready to cook something well in order for me to invite somebody who I don't know.
अच्छा, दूसरा मुझे कहीं से लग रहा है जब आप लोगों को पढ़ाने लगे, then you realize that if I give them what they already have, it doesn't make any sense. Yes. So you should try and bring Who Am I वाले जो गुरुजी हैं,
Ramana Maharshi.
The essence of performing arts of India to them. तो हमारी जो spirituality and the yogic life is a very good way of getting into acting.
It is, yes.
है ना? तो उस पे आपने बहुत काम किया है, उसके बारे में बताओ.
So we all have personalities. This is, for example, this is my hand, this is not me. These are my eyes, eyes are not me. These are my thoughts, it's not me.
My voice. And
My voice, my body. Then who is that me, who owns the body? And that is the mystery. And I haven't found anything yet. It's that the search is on. I think spirituality, it is a search for the spirit of what makes you do and what makes you curious, what makes you, empathetic, what makes you embarrassed, whatever is happening within the things that you feel within is your spirit. Because the body dies, and then suddenly from Adil, if I die right now, it will be like Adil, it's body. So what is it? And then when am I? When is what is when? Like, is it a biological time? Is it a social, political time? Is it a time of the universal time?
Yeah.
So all kinds of times. Then where? Like, okay, I'm here, and on the chair, I'm here. So where is not one answer, na? I'm on a chair, sitting. You are there. Where is it? There, in Mr. S.P. Saab's house. In Dehradun. Then this Uttarakhand. Then it goes on.
Universe, huh?
And then you realize that, oh my God, the earth is moving like this and also moving like this, and the sun is moving around the galactic center, and who knows even the whole bloody galaxies moving. So where are you? You're nowhere at the same time. At any given moment, you are not in the same place ever in your life. So how can you say for sure that you are there? It's like in quantum mechanics, to ask a question that where this cup is as invalid question as asking number 5, are you married?
हाँ.
Is that invalid? Because the cup can be in 3,000 places at the same time. Wave function in quantum.
You are about to play Krishna in some.
I was about to play, yeah.
Okay. Now Krishna को कहते थे Krishna the versatile.
Yes.
Because he is present everywhere.
Yes. So then you come to the other W. You know, we did where, when, who, why. Why are we here? And it's like a question, a billion-dollar question, you know. Now what you call that you found your inner calling as a teacher, like, oh, I'd like to teach.
Ah.
That's called swabhava. Swabhava means swa ka bhav. It's like you are expressing yourself in the best way is through interacting with the learners.
छात्र वगैरह.
You express yourself the best that way. When you go deeper into swabhava, it becomes swadharma. That's the definition of swadharma. बहुत लोग जो है टीचर्स हैं हमारे देश में जो दूसरा काम कुछ नहीं मिला तो टीचर बन गए ना. जो डॉक्टर नहीं बनना चाहता था वो डॉक्टर बन गए. जो इंजीनियर नहीं बनना चाहता था वो इंजीनियर बन गए. It's not a swabhava of them which led them to that profession. So you cannot get swadharma there because you cannot go deep unless you're curious about your swabhava. Okay, coming to that. So why that question led me to ask myself, do I really love acting? And I also love teaching at the same time. You know, I think, as you said, that I learn more than I can teach. Now, why am I here? I am acting, I am learning. Now I'll tell you one very interesting story I have never told anybody. It's, and I will make you hear it. I received a voice note from Toronto, from a neurologist who had been in duty since last 7 years in that hospital. So she sent me that voice note in British accent. Okay? It's a very, very interesting story. It'll be. Why am I doing what I'm doing? One of the greatest reasons, probably much more than Oscar for me, is this. So she sent me a voice note saying that I work in this hospital and I see a lady since last 1.5 years comes with her baby who was 3 months old since the time she was coming. Till today, she comes with the baby every 3-4 months and undergoes neurosurgery for 6 to 7 hours a day. Okay? And after a long time, after like the doctor is saying that I saw her several times, so one day I was on duty that day. I'm not a surgeon, so I saw her going after the baby was taken to the operation theatre. I saw her going to a corner of the waiting room and opened her laptop. And she goes there and asks, hey, I had been seeing you, so now it will take around 6-7 hours, so what are you going to do? Oh, I'll watch a movie. Oh, okay. So then she said, not only a movie, I will watch my favorite actor's movie. And she said, who is your favorite actor? He says, Adil Hussain. Oh, which movie are you going to watch? I said, Mukti Bhavan, Hotel Salvation. I said, why is it? Because you see, when I watch his movie, I know my daughter will be fine. You see? So then I was listening to it, I was like, oh my God, I had no clue. In the wildest dream, can you conjure up this story? You see what I mean? That if my actions in life became an act, I act in movies, and can have an impact on one human being like that, I'm done. So why am I here? I'm here to, if I put it in a very, very academic way, I'll say that I'm here to invoke deep empathy amongst the people who watch my work.
आप बाइक में क्यों गए थे?
I was ordered by my teacher, Khalid Tayeb, because he realized that Adil comes from a specific space, time and geography, and he wanted me to introduce to the time and geography why all the W's of this part of the world, and I would call it India. I mean, it should be, I'm not talking about the political boundary, the entire civilization. इस ज़मीन के अलग अलग स्तर के, अलग अलग हिस्सों के, अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट के, अलग अलग पहलू के साथ मेरा परिचय करवा देना, and without telling me that he is doing it.
So the new Adil, his soil, soul and spirit was created in this journey.
In this journey. And I fell in love with India.
Bharat.
Yeah, before that I always wanted to go abroad, and then I said, Shakespeare करेंगे, वो करेंगे, फलाना करेंगे. Then I fell, I'm like, oh my God, this is a country of gold. The wisdom people have in the villages that you and I will feel ashamed of ourselves.
विदेश जाना शायद जरूरी होता है.
To just value it.
औरबिंदो, कृष्णमूर्ति, ठाकुर रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, सत्यजीत राय, ये कुछ तो विदेश से बाउंस करके हमें मिलता ही है. आप एनएसडी में पढ़ाते हो
जी,
एंड यू टीच
कभी कभी,
पर आप वो बंद नहीं करिए प्लीज.
नहीं
मैंने फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट में जो काम किया, हर स्टूडेंट का सपना होता है यार नसीर भाई क्लास ले ले, 10 मिनट के लिए ले, है ना. पता है एक बार 10 मंक्स थे, तो एक गुरुजी थे, 9 दूसरे मंक थे. तो उनको घुमाने ले गए. गुरुजी ने कहा ये देखो पहाड़ है, पेड़ है, ये देखो ये ऐसा प्लांट है, ये हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है. वो तो दूर करते थे, पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए. उसने कहा भाई वापस जाना है, अभी खाना खाने के बाद कहाँ चले गए सब लोग, गिनो बराबर हैं. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, तो दिस इज 1 मिसिंग सर. तो एक तो नहीं मिल रहा है. तो दूसरे तुम गिनो भाई, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, तो नहीं मिल रहा है सर. तो बोले तुम गिनो, सब बोले. उनने गुरुजी ने बोला भाई यहाँ से गिनना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now you've got them all. So the missing person is you. Yes. The person who's supposed to bring the change is you. तो आपके लिए कुछ है?
ज़्यादा मतलब
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा ले लो बाद में निकाल देना. बैक नहीं, हम भी पकड़ लेंगे थोड़ा थोड़ा. तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि what a piece, आपको देख के, what a piece of work is a man. What a piece of work is this man. How noble in reason, how infinite in faculties, in form and moving, how express and admirable. In action, how like an angel, in apprehension, how like a god. तो हम कहते हैं like a brother. Thank you, Shakespeare.
Thank you for the Shakespeare. You did it so well.
You've done 100 films. अब तो you have taken big responsibility now. You can't let go. तो आपको फिल्में भी करनी पड़ेंगी, आपको एक्टिंग सिखानी भी पड़ेगी, एंड आपको स्पिरिचुअली भी कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यू आर अ मैन हु बिलीव्स इन डाइवर्सिटी. बेटे का नाम कबीर, इससे डाइवर्स कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
Of course.
ये तमाम चीज़ें जो आपने बताई
जी,
और जो आप बने हो आज, वो एक जर्नी है जो बहुत लोगों के लिए एक पाथ बन जाएगा. बिकॉज
मुझे तो उसी का डर है.
नहीं, पाथ ऐसा पाथ नहीं है ना, बिकॉज ट्रूथ इज अ पाथलेस लैंड. सो यू कम फ्रॉम दैट.
अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है, ये मेरा.
ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो गिफ्टेड एंड यू हैव गॉट ऑल द थिंग्स. आई थिंक यू नो यू आर अ वेरी गुड लुकिंग मैन.
People tell me, I'm like, my wife tells me.
No, we all know
Thank
this.
God.
Do you agree?
Of course, of course.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay, enough. Thank you.
तो अब आपको एक सवाल मुझसे पूछना है.
तो आपके हिसाब से जिस पर्टिकुलर स्पीड से, रफ्तार से आप चल रहे हो, जो आप कर रहे हो यहाँ देहरादून में, इतना नहीं दुनिया, अगर उसको देहरादून से उत्तराखंड से उत्तर प्रदेश, खास करके उत्तर प्रदेश, असम में उतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी है क्योंकि वहाँ ऑलरेडी कल्चरली वाइब्रेंट प्लेस है, और बाकी जगहों पर उत्तर भारत में कितना जन्म लगेगा आपको?
गांव के कच्चे कुएं गायब, सिगड़ी के वो धुएं गायब, गुल्ली डंडा गुच्चक गायब, पतंग गायब, मांझा गायब हो गए मीठे झरने, लोग चले पानी भरने. अब ये बिस्लेरी पीना है. ये जो मकान चारों तरफ बन गए आपने देखे हैं, बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं था देहरादून में, बट प्लानिंग कमीशन है ही नहीं, तो क्या करते. तो अब इनको बोलो कि यार गांव को बचाओ, जंगल को बचाओ, तो कहते हैं अपने आप तो शहरों में घूम रहे हो. So there is going to be a lot of time, and I think the governments have to take a big plunge in doing.
That's the point I'm trying to
हम
make.
अपने लेवल पे तो कर रहे हैं. देखो, I'm working with 1200 kids here.
I mean, that's where I think you deserve.
थैंक यू
No, and also this.
थैंक यू 15 साल तो धारावी में और उससे
जी,
जुड़े हुए काम करे
जी,
यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स के साथ
जी।
और क्या कहते हैं YMCA के साथ, तो उनके साथ आई सॉ सो मेनी, बहुत पेन होने लगा और मैं हेलुसिनेट करता था और बहुत कुछ हो गया था, पर मैं रुका नहीं, बिकॉज मैं इंग्लैंड और यूरोप छोड़ के ही इसलिए आया था
जी,
कि मैं इंडिया में ये जाके काम करूंगा।
जी,
और ये सच बात है, जैसे आप भी विदेश जाने के बाद यू रियलाइज दैट यू नो देयर इज सो मच हियर एंड वी मस्ट
Yes,
वर्क विद दिस।
yes, yes.
तो अब ये सब इकट्ठा करने की जरूरत है,
absolutely.
समेटने की जरूरत है, कल्चरल सेंटर्स बनाने की जरूरत है, एजुकेशनल सेंटर्स बनाने की जरूरत
Exactly.
है। व्हाट्स brewing now?
In fact, you have revitalized what was brewing. I realized that this is my time. I feel that now probably I am more experienced, and the drive towards sharing what I have so far gathered to the youngsters, to whoever is seeking. I don't want to.
Seeker is a good word.
It's very important. So I've already made a small workspace in Delhi जैसे जगह पे, terrace पे, so I can have few batches of 4 or 5.
Not just actors. What I'm seeing in you like that book, you know, which has many different subjects, you know. I think you need to talk to doctors, engineers, musicians.
I've already been invited and I'm about to meet the trainee IPS officer in Delhi.
आंदोलन जैसी चीज आपके अंदर क्या है?
If I can निचोड़ करके एक दो वाक्य में अगर कहना चाहूँगा तो ये होगा, the people those who are in position of power, how is it possible for you and me to go to them
To reach them.
and make them experience, not understand, make them experience the importance of art in human society. Why it is important for me? It is because it's a vehicle where you get on to experience your finer meaning of life. It transports you there. That's the job of art.
If I ask you,
Yeah.
there is a school which wants to take away all the subjects except one, what is that subject?
Art.
Art.
Yes.
Art, heart, earth, everywhere art.
Everywhere is art.
So
yeah.
art can be a beginning
Yes.
of social transformation.
Absolutely. I would be coming to Dehradun if you want me for that. Let's do it. This Dehradun film shoot location, secretly it's a blessing for me to come and meet you.
So thank you very much for being in Conversation for Life. Hopefully this will be a conversation which will help somebody somewhere.
It is helping us at least, helping me for sure.
We will do more of this work. It's just random. I love the beginning. So that was spontaneous. And I wish him all the best for whatever he does. And Dehradun, Uttarakhand is always with his spirit and ventures. And lots of love and blessings from this planet. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
थोड़ा सा editors को मजा आएगा इसमें काम करने के लिए.
They will be like, acha. No, it should continue. This conversation should continue. We can do another chapter when I come next, and then because probably a lot of things that you and I take for granted, I have seen